Mike's too busy jigging to do my video, so I'll do it for myself. He's trying to snag my line. You're right.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna double hook that fish.
Why don't you let it go down? You're right on top of the water. I can see your lure. I don't think they're that high. Oh, they might be, but man, we finally got into found some fish in real deep water, and then this is a spot we never fished before. Nice little deep water hump. We got 5 bass off of it already. We had 1 double. This is about the smallest of the bunch.
This one was 17 1/4.
Yep. Ooh, my line was twisted up. Bad. I gotta redo it. Look at that line.
Wow.
I'm just gonna break it.
Turn that off.
Yeah, I'll turn. There you go. Well, we were getting them on spoons when we first got here, and I switched to, I got picky, so I went to my littlest fluke. About the 3rd one I caught on it, I think. 3rd one I hooked. There you go. Come on, you can jump. There we go. Good boy. Another dandy. 17-incher. Well, I was a little slow on the video, but whoa! You're hooking your rod there. After I caught 8 or 9 in a row, Mike wanted to trade seats for some reason, and then he caught one.
First cast. All right, 2nd cast that line.
That's a dandy there too. Yeah, they're all nice. Everyone's at least 17 inches. Every one of them.
Yeah, I saw the line twitch, and it's just a little better angle to see it from back here. Okay, once again, John is in the zone. This is about his 100th bass.
Not quite.
Man.
A dozen on one side of the boat.
Then he moves over to the other side and he catches another dozen.
On the deep side. And guess what? They're on the deep side too. They're all on the hump. Another dandy.
What do you think he is?
17. They're all pretty much the same. 17, 17 and a half. Nothing wrong with them though. Oh, here's a measure thing. I'll measure them. It's right here. My line is a mess. These lures keep twisting. Oh, 16 3/4.
Okay.
Pretty close. 17, yeah.
Close enough.
Back he goes. We were just getting ready to move. No. Well, I guess we got to stay a little longer. This is like 16 fish off this one hump. Want the net?
I'll just grab it.
Yeah. Hey, that seagull thinks he's going to get a free lunch. Not.
Is that?
Another beauty. Another 17, 16 and a half, something like that. Oh, on the new bait. On the grubster.
The grubster.
Little bitty 2 3/4 inch grubster. Yeah.
Paddletail.
With a 1/4 ounce head. Bass number 17 off this hump, we think. We haven't seen it yet, but it's acting like one.
Oh, it's a bass. Starting to...
Whoa, taking some drag. He's pulling pretty good. Oh, that was a good one.
Dance, Pilgrim.
Yeah, we were going to leave, but...
Boy, did they fight. These are strong fish.
Yep. This morning we were on a hump, and we were marking tons of bass, and we caught 4 or 5 in like 2 hours. And now we got, how many is this, 17 off here? Oh, on the grubster again. Let me get a still picture of that one too.